Learning to say number. Mastering negative words in English. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to our English learning series. Today, we're diving into an essential and sometimes challenging aspect of the English language: negative words. Understanding and using negative words correctly will enhance your fluency and enable you to express different perspectives and attitudes. So, without further ado, let's jump right in. Negative words in English are those that give a sentence a negative meaning. They include words like no, not, never, none, and nothing. But it's not just about these individual words, it's about understanding how to use them correctly to form negative sentences. In this section, we'll explore these words in detail, and by the end, you'll be able to confidently use them in your English sentences. These are two of the most common negative words you'll encounter. No is used to directly negate nouns, pronouns, adjectives, and adverbs. For example, no one is there. On the other hand, not is used with auxiliary verbs to negate verbs. For example, I am not going. Our next trio, never, none, and nothing, are also widely used in English. Never negates verbs by indicating that the action does not occur at any time, as in, I never eat bananas. None is used to indicate that not one of a group or quantity exists, like in, none of the cookies were left. Lastly, nothing indicates the absence of a thing or things, such as, there is nothing in the box. Here's a fun fact. In English, we usually avoid double negatives. This is when you use two negative words in the same sentence. For example, I don't need no help. While this might sound catchy in song lyrics, it's generally considered incorrect in standard English. The correct version would be, I don't need any help. Congratulations! You've just expanded your English language skills by mastering negative words. Remember, practice is key when learning a new language, so don't hesitate to use these words in your daily conversations. We hope you found this video helpful, and we look forward to helping you further on your English learning journey. Stay curious, and keep practicing. See you in the next video.